These flashing lights are the start of a planned mass casualty training exercise for Charlotte County first responders.
A vehicle versus school bus.
Though, at first glance, it looks like a terrible accident. And that is by design. I'm Fox 4 photojournalist Andy Cunningham, and the sense of urgency you see here translates to first-hand experience for emergency responders.
Airport Commander Rescue, Amy, do you arrive on scene?
Step one, arriving on scene is establishing command.
Triage at a secondary 360.
We had a number of patients, over 10 patients on the bus.
Do you advise what their status is?
To actually see the people doing the jobs that you assign them.
Do you have any yellows or reds? Get you a medic.
To also have the patients who are actually complaining of the injuries that allows our crews to treat those injuries like they would a real patient.
Twisted metal, gear loaded, assigned roles. This type of training focuses on realism, designed to save lives.
Outside of real injured people, I don't think you can get any more realistic than this. With the actual crews on scene, with the equipment and the units and the radio talk, it's about as realistic as it can get.
Have we done a secondary 360 on the bus and the car?
It is chaos. It is.
Chaos at times. We try to keep it as organized as possible.
We do it over and over. As you know, going on scenes like this, your heart rate gets a little bit higher.
Hey, medical.
And we want to make sure that people are focusing on the priorities, focusing on what they've been taught and what they've been, their skills. And that's where our men and women really strive as controlling that chaos, controlling everyone on scene, knowing our priorities, establishing those priorities and working through. And that's why we have our incident command system.
This is where we want these mistakes to happen. We don't want them to happen in the field. So anything we can do to improve ourselves here on the training ground to make sure that we're perfect out there in the field, that's what it's all about.
Reporting in Punta Gorda, Andy Cunningham, Fox 4.